Good morning, y'all. How are y'all doing? Today's Saturday, March 4th. It's about 10:45. Getting up to go get my feet done. I got my nails done, but it was just too long the last time. So last weekend. So I was like, I'll just go another time. So I'm just about to go get that done. Hopefully, I just transferring my stuff to this little bit of purse. Oh, the battery about to die. Had no idea because I hadn't been vlogging. But anyway, just wanted to open up the vlog. Hopefully I can pick y'all back up. I got a couple errands to run, so I hope y'all are doing well. I'll holler at y'all in the next clip. So I don't know what was going on today. I basically had to get my toes like done again. Yeah, I've never had an experience like that where I'm done. She put the gel on, I'm under the little UV things or whatever, and I'm like, wait a minute, this don't look good. So then I had to wait on one of the owners to fix it. So then he had to buff all that she had done off and repaint my toes. But he fixed it. They look great, but that was just like I had to sit an extra 30 minutes, you know? Because when you get gel and you're sitting under that light, it was just a lot. But anyway, I left there. My toes look good. I'm glad that's out the way because they were looking a little busted. Like, every time I go in there, I don't have enough time. So I'm just going to get my hands done or whatever. And I have to come back and get my toes done. And then, anyway, now I'm about to make my way to go pick up Joshua's glasses because they are done. And then I need to find me something to eat because I'm hungry. I ain't eating today. Then I need to pick up some razors so he can cut Josh's hair today. And I don't think that's it. I had intentions of doing all of this yesterday, but I got lazy. So, but I'm glad I went ahead and got myself up this morning. I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby. I still hadn't spent my gift card the boys got me for, excuse me, what was that holiday? My birthday. It's my birthday. Yeah, my birthday. So I still hadn't spent that or whatever. So I'm like, I could go browse in there, but I'm kind of tired actually. I was in there so long. But anyway, so I just wanted to come back. I look sleepy, all that good stuff. But yeah, so I'll holler at y'all. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. Clearly did not come back and take y'all with me when I did anything. I came home, chilled for a bit, ordered groceries, got the groceries, chilled. My brother and my nephew came by, Jay and Jerry, and then they got off of work, and we all just chilled. I cooked some fish last night. Supposed to be fish salad, baked potato, and some corn, but it got late, so I just cooked some fish and some squash, zucchini, and baked potatoes because I had them on probably like since like 2. So I just got up a while ago, got me a good shower to help wake myself up. I'm tired. So it's just one of those days, but it's gonna be okay. It's Sunday. I'm cooking today. Josh and Jerry is still asleep right now. Well, Josh is up. Jerry is still asleep. So yeah, so it's about 11 o'clock now. I'm gonna go start prepping for dinner. Get a vlog put up for today, and that's gonna be it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get up from here before I just start chilling because I got a lot on the menu. So once I get all that stuff together, then I'll show y'all, tell y'all what I'm cooking today. So I hope y'all doing pretty good. Hopefully I'll be back to talk to y'all in a little bit. Now tell me why this ham so big for a family of 4. That's what I get for being lazy and not going to the freaking grocery store. And this ham was $32. Like, this is ridiculous. I just looked at the packaging when I took it off, and I'm not lying, y'all. Like, why did this thing say $32.06? And this, I asked for like a little medium size ham like I had before. It was probably like that big, but I'm like, this is a freaking holiday ham. Baby, in a way. So it already has some glaze on there, which I'm just gonna leave it on there or whatever. It had like a brown sugar. This one is a brown sugar. I forgot what it's called. I don't know. But anyway, I think it's like a brown sugar. You can see the brown sugar and stuff on there. So I still like to put pineapple slices and pineapple juice, and I think I'm gonna add some more brown sugar in there, just so, and some butter, just to make sure it's real moist and tender. What's up, boys? Finally up. I'm like, y'all here making coffee. What are y'all gonna eat? What y'all gonna eat? So they about to do their thing and get them some food.
So you can eat.
Mm-hmm. Whatever. All right. So now, since I got the cabbage going and ham in the oven, I put up these. I'm gonna get these going. I make my little broth for dressing today. So yeah, I'm gonna get this going. Some bouillon and chicken broth and all of that, so I can get that done. And then I gotta cut up my sweet potatoes, and then make the mac and cheese a little later. So baking stop at 3, so I'm trying to get all this stuff done. So yeah, I'm about to get that done. Get that going, y'all. Dinner is done, y'all. So just been chilling, hanging out, haven't been doing much. Hey y'all. I thought y'all was still downstairs. No? These two, y'all. This is a Sunday, huh? This what you do right here?
It is sunny outside.
It's nice, huh? Just chilling. Y'all look like y'all chilling.
What up, though?
Y'all gonna be ready to eat soon? Yeah.
That's gonna be so mad when you see this video.
No, he ain't.
I'm just playing.
No, he ain't. So yeah, they just chilling. They look like they relaxing.
Yeah.
That's what you do on a Sunday. So I got some peach cobbler in the oven. They needed to go get some cranberry sauce because he loves that with his dressing. So that's what he wants to go do. And then we'll be eating soon, right?
Yeah.
I need to be editing. Oh, I really do, so we can get past December. That's a whole nother situation. I gotta clear my laptop so that I can like be away and edit. Like I just don't want to be stuck in the room all the time, you know. But anyway, so we're gonna be eating a little bit. I'll show y'all food, and then that's about it. Yeah, the TV's so loud. Oh, I gotta show y'all update in the living room. So we got a table, you guys. So it's actually 2 tables that I put together. And basically I did this because the couch is so big that I wanted to make sure that we had a table that like fit the space better. And it wasn't too overwhelming. So this is what it looks like. So I like it. Came out good. Still got some other things that I'm looking into, like this wall, and of course this wall is bare now. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna paint that black or just get something else to go over there. I don't know. So yeah, so I am gonna chill for a bit, y'all, because this is definitely, I've been cooking for some hours, y'all, and hours and hours. Whew. All right, y'all, so this is dinner. So we got some mac and cheese, some cabbage, some candy yams, potato salad, some dressing up under there, and some ham. And they're gonna have some cranberry sauce because I don't eat it. Some okra and tomato. And that's dinner. Sherry, you want some hot sauce or something? You gonna eat it just like that? Okay. It does look good, doesn't it? So I'm getting the boys fed.
Mr. John, please.
Yeah, Mr. John. This was Bay's Soul Food Restaurant.
Mr. John.
Mr.
John.
That's what people gonna call you when they come to your restaurant?
Yeah, Mr. John.
Not Mr.
No.
Mr.
Mr. John.
You want cranberry sauce? I got a fork. I put a fork on there, didn't I? What'd I do with it? I had a fork. I sure did. I don't know why that's still there. Okay. Yeah, it's Thanksgiving over here.
Red 9. Red 9. In March. Compliments to the chef.
Thank you, honey.
Kudos.
Hopefully y'all say it's delicious. Okay. Say y'all praise to the good Lord. So we're gonna, I didn't make the peach cobbler from scratch, but we're trying out Patty's. Not a fan of Patty's pies, but when I was looking it up, it was saying like this was like the top rated, but you know Walmart be lying sometimes. So we're gonna see. Maybe when it got some ice cream, not this one, I throw this one away. We got some ice cream to go with it, y'all. We're gonna be sitting swollen.
Pretty swollen.
Today.
Watch us a good movie. Ooh.
Might take a late nap, I don't know.
Get in the bed early. No.
You want some of this? I keep asking you that. So yeah, boy's about to eat and we'll be back to eat in a second.